Yes, we
Hello,
can
good
hear.
evening. How are you? How are you, everyone? So for today, let me introduce myself. I'm Johnson from the Philippines. I'm the wife of Rejem, the daughter of, the husband of Rejem, the daughter of Sales Master Richard Mahina in the Philippines. So, okay, without further ado, let me share my screen. So quick seconds. Is my screen is visible? Quick
Yes, we
seconds.
can see it.
Mm, all right. Okay. My name is Johnson Remar Icobor. So my topic for today is the 8 steps to success. So all of the business minded per person have the secret or the recipe to become the success. So okay, so for now, I need to read this one. A detailed operational guide on the core system. It is designed by Chairman Hangel Park to achieve leadership milestone and build sustainable global pipelines. Okay, so first, the CEO Hangel Park legacy. The Atomic corporate strategy is centered around a step-by-step formula that transform personal goals into collective operational success. Number one is the absolute quality and absolute pricing. It is attracts immediate organic customer acquisition. So it means the Atomic products, it offers absolute quality and an absolute price. So all of the members in the world can they buy all of the products? Second, replicable framework. Anyone, regardless of the background, can succeed. So anyone, wherever you are a business-minded person or you are a type of person that you have no background in business, you can succeed like this CEO Hangul Park. Just replicate all of the hard work of the CEO Hangul Park and balance life achieves true professional and financial happiness. So in this atom, in this kind of business in Atomy, you will experience not pressure because this is your business. This is not a business of anyone. So this is your business. So it as a balanced life, working while you are doing on your life. So it's a balanced life. Okay, so well, my first number one, so first 8 steps to success is the dream or goal setting. So what do you want to achieve? So that's the first question. So success begins with an absolute blueprint. Without a clear target or growth remains slow and consistent. So yeah, so we need to ask ourselves, uh, what uh what our dream in this year? So what I need to achieve this year? Number one, plan the goal. Create a detailed and short and long term life scenarios. Example, in this first quarter of month, I need to invite like 10 to 5 peoples, or I need to like first to 2 first to 3 months I need to put 5 to 10 peoples on my downline. So that's a great detailed short and long term life scenario. Second, prepare to start, gather assets, commit mentality, and take the first step. Yes. So if we want to be an successful someday, we need to take a first step. So that's the very important. We need to step up. Third, in push yourself. Consistently elevate your expectation and drive. So yes, always we push ourselves. I know this we experience some struggles, but we need to push ourselves into limit and expect the unexpected, like the struggles, like the struggles. And I know all of our hard work, it will pays someday. Okay, number one, dream goal setting. And the second one is the commitment. Take unshakable action. Resolute decision divides which wishes from real life. True commitment requires passion, perseverance, and daily effort. Yeah. So this kind of business in Atomy, we need some commitment, like daily effort in our life. So what do you mean daily effort? So at least if we are Atomians, I know all of us use the Atomy products. So that's kind of daily effort. Passion also, because if we have passion, it will also reflects our works, and it also show on our life because we are using the Atomy products and perseverance. Stay consistent. Success is built on repetitive daily work. So yes, every successful people in Atomy, they are very consistent. Like our sales master, our diamond master here, I know they are very consistent and they are experienced some struggles in their journey, but they still be consistent. So second, build determination, overcome external negative comments and doubts. So I know there is a doubts and negative thoughts, but always trust yourself and trust the process in this Atomy. And immediate action about procrastination, start executing today. Like in the first one, push yourself always. Even though you experience some struggles, you need start every day. So commitment is very important also. And third one is the acquainted name listing. So mapping your team structure. Also, this is very important. Take note, do not judge who will buy. List everyone you know on an organized list form, the baseline of your binary compensation structure. So yes, so because sometimes I know sometimes we judge others if they can afford to buy, but as I said, if we have a plan that this person, this are our friends that they can buy. So number one, contact or register, like put down your classmates, relatives, neighbors, and works. So do not choose everyone your friend. List down all of their names. Like also second one, binary lineage, organized member on the left and the right legs. Like, after you put down all of their names, you put their one by one, either left or on the right side of your system. And also continue updating list daily with new prospects. So every day we have a list of at least 2 to 3 persons that we need to put our downline. So it will grow instantly. So the keyword on this one is list down everyone. List everyone that you know. So I know we have so many friends, we have so many relatives, and list down everyone. And after the list down, and also this is the follow up in the invitation. The purpose of an invitation is to secure an appointment for a presentation. Leverage offline flyers and digital platforms to reach a maximum prospect. So invitation is also very important. After you list down all of the names of the person that we want to invite or the person that we want to become our business partner someday, this is the second one that we need to do, the invite, by using social media and informative flyers, or you can invite them to go out, like to do a coffee shop and introduce that to me. Like my wife last week, she invite her coworkers and they go to the fast food here in the Philippines. So while they are eating, my wife introduced the Atomy to his coworker. So yeah, so that's the type of invitation that we can also use, not social media or informative flyers. Also, the volume strategy reach out to as many prospects as possible by using social media, ourselves. There's so many options that we can invite our prospect. And also for this one, invite to seminar. Let company seminars do the validation for you. So also this is also important to the our prospect to invite like this one, the seminars, because also they have idea what are the thing that we are proposed to them. Also they have an idea what is the what type of business that we are introducing to them. So invite them. Like yeah, as said to them, the try to join our business seminar at least one time, and after that, they will see or they will know. Oh, okay, it is Atomy business, and they will easily understand what we are explaining to them. So invitation, take note, and number five, the business presentation. So explain the business clearly. Deliver a transparent, motivating overview of the company, product selection, and competitive compensation structure. So this is a very important because this is a critical part. So when after we invite, this is the time that we introduce the Atomy. What is the mission and vision of the Atomy? How we can compensate in Atomy. So um all of the system in Atomy we need to explain. First, number one, the products. We need to explain to them what are the products that they can use in Atomy, and also what they can gain after they using Atomy, and also if they are interested in someday if they want to be a business partner, we can also explain to them the compensation structure, how to make money here in Atomy. Understandable content, avoid confusing complex terms, and keep it plain. So when you're explaining, keep it plain. Do not use some deep meaning words. Just keep it plain. Second one is the product value, share real user feedback, and high quality margins. And third one is plug-in formula, show prospect the absolute benefits of working in a unified team. The sixth step is the follow-up, the golden 48-hour standard. Contact must be reestablished with your prospect within 48 hours. Address consumer question immediately and guide their next decision. So follow up, this is also very important. After we invite them and after we explain the business, this is the time that we know what is their comment, what is their thoughts regarding of the business that we explain to them. So yeah, I'm just put this the 48 hours rule, but if you have standard on your end, if you after 24 hours of your after the business explanation, you can do it. But also don't forget this a follow up, because it ensure product satisfaction feedback is collected. So also we need to know the feedback of our business partner if they have question, if they easily understand what they are explaining to them. Eliminate hesitation, clear up misconception about direct marketing instantly. So also uh, we will erase all of the misconception or miscommunication regarding for the Atomy business and invite them to the next one day seminar like this one. So after we know that they understand the business. We follow up them the you can make attend our business seminar like this one every Thursday, the worldwide Atomy business seminar. So they will also understand what is all about the atomy. So follow up is also a very crucial part. So we also know what is the feedback if they easily understand or they like or what is their dislike here in atomy. The seven is the business counseling. Establish a continuous dialogue. Do not run your business in isolation. Consult regularly with your sponsors and active downstream partners to refine sales pipelines. Yes, sometimes we need to be asked question if we have question because all I know this type of business is a learning system and not all of the knowledge that we know.
Soltero.
So so we need sorry. Yeah. So we need to ask our sponsors or consult every day what our question of our or what are the question of our future business partners and active downstream partners to more refine sales. Number one, it's bring recruitment or knowledge challenges to active leaders. Second one, analyze performance, audit group performance and mastership progress. And lastly, clarify doubts. Continually align expectation with team strategies. So also this is very important because it will erase all of the doubts and all of the questions, all of us, because I know this type of business is a learning. So every day is a learning. So business conciliation or asking questions to our partners or sponsors is very important. So also we can also pass to our downlines what are the knowledge that we gain to our business partners or to our sponsors. And last but not the least, the duplication and the mentorship duplicate your success pattern. Duplication that not mean copying. Um, it means becoming an excellent model first so that your downstream partners and organically replicate your passion, work, and ethic and dedication. So all of the steps that we tackle about is we need to duplicate all of that, the invitation, the firm goal settings, the business counseling. We need to duplicate if we need to be successful someday. And being boring, and I watch a clip from Instagram when because I love basketball. I watch a clip on the coach. I one of the coach in the NBA, and he said to his player, boring is a winning mindset. And because if we want to be uh win, we need to be more consistent what we are doing. So I know uh we need to be duplicate all of our process and someday it will we will feel boring, but if we need to success someday, we need to do it every day. Number one, be a true mentor. Lead by active example rather than others. So we need to be step up. So we need to be we need to be a leader someday, or we need to be I need to be like sales master, diamond master, and star master. And third is impart knowledge, teach and empower partners to manage system independently. And last, exponential growth. True duplication delivers absolute freedom. So yeah, so I'm gonna do a quick recap again. So number one is if we need to be success is number dream goal setting. We need to be What are the plans? What are the goal that we need to achieve this Atomy? Uh, After 1 year, we need to be a sales master. Why not? Second, commitment. We need to be commitment every day. Daily effort, as I said, push yourself every day. I know every day there's a struggle, trials, but we need to be push ourselves every day here in Atomy business. And third one is acquainted name listing. Do not judge. We will buy. So put down all of the names that we know that we can be our business partner some days, like classmates, relatives, neighbors, and co-workers. All of our no person that we can be a future business partner some days, and organize them left and right, and continue updating your list every day. Every day at least 2 to 3 prospects that we need to put down, at least 2 to 3 persons every day. The last one is invitation, plugging prospect into system. So by using social media or informative flyers or using some video or invite them in seminar like this one. So also they will have knowledge or they will easily understand what is the business atomy. So there is more we can use some invitation, like we can invite them, we can go out just like that. And five is the business presentation. This is very important. Explain what is business atomy, what is the mission and vision of atomy, um what is the product of atomy, and how we compensate. Because I know if we explain the business clearly and they easily understand clearly, they have eagerness how to make compensate here in atomy. So avoid confusing, keep it plain, okay? Share real user feedback and show prospect the absolute benefits on working in a unified team. The six is follow up, 48 rule. But if your preferred is after 24 hours, if after your invitation to them, you can. So always remember, after we invite them, we need to be follow up. Also because we know what their feedback, what is their like, and also we know what is their dislike regarding Atomy. So we clear up misconception, and what are their question, so we can easily answer them. So follow up is also very important because sometimes if we invite them and we forgot them to follow up, it is very crucial because we already explained the business. We already do our part to invitation, but we forgot the follow up. So follow up is very crucial because we clear their question. We clarify their question. And also encourage them to attend the one day seminar or like this seminar. So it will also gain their knowledge regarding for the atomy. Seven is business counseling to your business partners and downlines. Also, it will also improve us, more knowledge to us. If we have question, we can ask our sponsors or downlines, and also we can transfer to our future business partner. And last is duplicate and mentorship. So if we need to be successful someday, we need to be duplicated, and we need to choose a people like we need a mentor. So I know here in business in Atomy, it is not easy, but if we have a goals like the number one, I know it will pay off someday. So may I know first, do you have any question regarding for my topic for today? Okay, so if there's none, thank you so much for listening my topic for today. Once again, I'm Johnson from Philippines, and thank you for your time and listening to my lecture for today. Thank you, and Samida.